It's not selling merch, it's not selling shoutouts, it's not doing dropshipping or affiliate marketing. It's something new. Millennials, welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about how to grow on Instagram and Instagram daily updates. And today we're talking about the 2 new ways that you can make money on Instagram. And if that kind of stuff excites you and that triggers you, consider subscribing to get more videos just like this and smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, so that this type of videos gets pushed to more people and more people watch my videos and they subscribe and they give me the watch time, and then I can get monetized on YouTube and I'll give you each Lamborghini. I'm just kidding. Thank you very much if you have subscribed and liked this video. And now let's talk about the first way that you can monetize your Instagram account. And the first way that you can monetize your Instagram account is by IG live badges. Just like YouTube or Twitch, whenever the content creator goes live, his or her subscribers can donate him or her the badges, and that in return will give money to the content creator. Just like that, Instagram has introduce a feature for their stories. When the influencers will go live, his or her followers can give him badges just like these ones, and in return they will get money. And yes, that money they're going to make from the IG stories is going to be 100% the content creators, and not a single dime is going to go towards Instagram. And yes, it requires certain requirement that you need to fulfill before getting accepted for this Instagram partner program. And I'll be making a next video about what are the requirements that you need to fulfill to get accepted in the Instagram partner program. And if you want to know about that, just subscribe and turn on the post notifications to get notified when I'll make that video. And you keep in mind, you will keep 100% of the profit, which is good. And now let's talk about the second way that you can make money on Instagram. The second way that you can monetize your Instagram account in 2021 is by running ads on your IGTVs. Jane mentioned Wong, a blogger, published that now content creators on Instagram can run ads in their IGTVs. Just like YouTube, you will be earning money from ads that will run on your videos, and you will be making 55% of the money and 45% will go to Instagram. And yes, it requires certain type of requirements that you need to fulfill before getting accepted in the Instagram partner program. And I have already told that I'll be making a video where I will tell you how you can what are the requirements that you need to fulfill to get accepted in the Instagram partner program. And if you want to learn more about that, and if you want to know everything about that, then consider subscribing and turning the post notifications to get notified whenever I post that video. And now let's talk about what are the advantages of using Instagram IGTVs. Advantages of IGTV is that you will be making 55% of the ad revenue that your IGTV generates. And the second point being is that you will be making a second stream of income from Instagram only. As in the past, people needed to grow their YouTube channel to make money from ads, but now with this new update, you will be making money with just Instagram only, and you will be making money from ads. So what you can do to make even more money is that you can upload the same IGTV videos that you have made for Instagram and re-upload that to YouTube even to make more money. Just a secret tip. And the third point being is that you will be making passive income. Just like YouTube, your whole channel grows as one, and your old videos are being recommended by YouTube to the interested people. Like in content creators are making $100,000 every single day from their old videos recommended by YouTube's algorithm. And if you have made the right IGTV video, if you have made the nice IGTV video and rightly done SEO, whenever person will search for a term that is related to your IGTV, you will rank for it and you will make passive income from that. And even if you want to gather all this information, if you want to learn more about that, I will link all the blogs that I have read in the description below. And now I want to tell you that even the head of Instagram, Adam, was tweeted that they were finding ways to monetize their Instagram stories and Instagram IGTVs. And I think that this is the update that they were talking about, and this update is coming to life. And these were the two ways that you can make money on Instagram and the advantages of Instagram IGTVs. I hope that you guys got value and you learned something new and valuable. Stay and if yes, then consider subscribing and turning on the post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video and liking this video for the YouTube algorithm. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.